This is the new iPhone 16. So in the box, it's just the iPhone 16 and then a Type-C cord in it. After that, you only see the SIM ejector right there. The iPhone 16 comes with a lot, and we are going to talk about it right here. But make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. We will bring more videos right here. We have been unboxing a lot of devices right here on this platform. So make sure you join us by subscribing and also liking the video for us so that we can continue doing it. As I said, we will be bringing you the review of the iPhone 16 right here on this platform. So make sure you follow us for more videos right here on this platform. So now let's talk more on the iPhone 16. So the screen is a 6.1-inch display screen, and at the top of it we have nothing right here, but on the side of it we have the power key right here, and we have the camera control right here. We will look at it more, okay, but I will make a video particularly for that to show you how you can use it as well. And then at the downside of it we have the Type C charging port right here, and then also we have the speakers. On the side of it we have the SIM slot right here, which is just a single SIM slot, okay, but it supports eSIM. So that means at the end of the day you'll be able to get two SIM in your smartphone. That's the iPhone 16. Okay, now let's get to where we have the action button. So we have the volume down, volume up, and then we have the action button right here for customization of your mostly used app, mostly used settings. Okay, so yes, now let's open and then let's dive into it. But before we dive into it, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Let's talk about the back of the device. After that, we will dive into it more. So at the back of the device is where we have the camera right here, which is a 48 megapixel wide camera right here, and also 12 megapixel ultra wide camera at the back of it. Also, we have the flashlight for taking pictures at night. At the back of it right here is a MagSafe for wireless charging. So I have this wireless charger right here from Oraimo. You just need to fix it right here, and then your device will just be charging for you. Okay, so it's very simple with that one, and it works very fine. So it is a MagSafe supported device with wireless charging. Okay, now continue with it. Also take note that the battery in it is a 3561 milliampere battery in the iPhone 16. So we will see when the review is out. We will get to know whether the battery is so strong or not. So just make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Now let's get into the device, but before we get into it, just give me a like. Okay, so right now we are in the device. The device comes with a dynamic eyeline, as you see right here, and then also down here you could see that the bezels are very small, and you have a large space for using the device. Okay, now let's get into where I would like you to see, especially the camera control. So with the camera control, when you just give it a tap or click, okay, when you click on it, then the camera gets activated. But when your phone screen is off like that, when you tap on it once, it will open the screen. Before when you tap on it again, it activates the camera. I'll be making a video that will be only for the camera control right here, okay, how you can use it. But this is just something that you should know about the device. So the device, when you open the camera, you'll be able to take special pictures, and with that you need to have it in this way. Okay, yes, not in the vertical but in the horizontal form, and then you can be taking your pictures and videos. Yes, now with the ultra wide or the macro photography, let me use this as an example with the ultra wide macro photography. So the moment you bring it close to an object, it gets activated automatically, and there is it. Okay, so you can see from here, you can see it yourself. Yes, so there is the macro photography, bringing you that little thing that you cannot even see maybe with your eyes. Okay, so yes, very nice. So I will be talking more later, but these are some of the pictures that I took with the device, and it's very nice. So this one is an unedited picture that I took. Yes, these are all unedited. I think it's only this one that has been edited with the same device. Okay, apart from that, there's unedited, unedited, unedited. You can see it for yourself. Okay, so it's cool. For the meantime, whilst the review is not out yet, just stay tuned. I'll bring you more videos on this one, okay, which is the iPhone 16. Now let's get into this part where we have the iOS version. So the device comes with iOS 18.3 or iOS 18, so you can update it anytime that you want. It comes with A18 chip. This is an 8 gig RAM device, 60 Hz refresh rate. Comes with Apple Intelligence. So with the Apple Intelligence, let me show you right here. You just need to click on the power key and then you release. Okay, so you can see for yourself right here. So let's say something right now. Hello, how are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, so you can see right here. So you are the one to configure for it to either talk to you or, yes. So from my settings, it's only listen and then it's right back, but no sound. Okay, for now, because even there is no, it is on mute. Let me say it that way. It is on mute. Okay, you get it. So yes, there's the Apple Intelligence. And one thing about the camera control that I think I should add is that, let's say you have seen something, you want to know more about it. With that, you need to press and hold, and it will activate a different thing called the visual intelligence. Okay, so you tap on continue, and then you bring it to that particular object, and then you can take a shot, and it will search online, give you samples. Okay, so you can ask or you can search. So let's say search, and then let's say continue. So it will be searching Google and give you similar answers or similar options, similar things you can see right here. So yes, that's the Apple Intelligence, and this one is visual intelligence. Okay, and looking at the action button, you can also configure it to anyone that you want for silence or any option, camera, touch, whatever. So let me just say touch. Okay, and now you go back. Let me turn off the screen, and then let me press. So you press and hold, and now touch has been activated. And even with this, you can increase or decrease the touch brightness right here by doing this. Okay, and it's cool. So that's for the action button on the iPhone 16. So stay alive, and then I will see you in the next video.